Auto insurance costs continue to rise year after year. Between inflation, high repair prices, and just trying to keep up with everyday bills, more and more people are finding themselves asking the same question: what do I do if I just can't afford my auto insurance anymore? And it's not just about money. If your coverage lapses, it could cost you way more down the line in fines, fees, or even license suspension. In today's video, we're breaking down what to do if you can't afford your auto insurance. We'll share 5 practical steps to help you reduce costs, explore state auto insurance relief programs, and explain what happens if you stop paying your premiums. So if you want to learn how to take control of your policy and unlock real savings, visit Quote.com. Use their free comparison tool to view quotes from top insurers all in one place, so you can choose the provider that offers the best deal. Auto insurance isn't optional, it's the law. But what happens when it's just too expensive to keep up with? Millions of Americans are facing rising premiums, tight budgets, and tough choices. But before you risk going without coverage, which can lead to fines and license suspension, let's talk about what you can do. Here are the 5 smart steps to help you stay insured and save money without sacrificing the protection you need. Step number 1, contact your insurance provider. If you're behind on payments or you're worried about one coming up, reach out to your insurance company before things go spiral. Ask if they offer a grace period. See if they have a hardship program. You can ask them if you can switch you to smaller, more manageable payments, like monthly or even bi-weekly billing. Here's the thing. Most insurance companies would rather work with you than lose you. And often, there's more flexibility than you might think. You just have to ask. Step number 2, adjust your coverage. Once you've had that conversation, the next step is to take a hard look at your policy. Are you paying for coverage you don't really need? If you're driving an older car that isn't worth much anymore, you might want to drop comprehensive or collision coverage. Another option is to raise your deductible. That's the amount you pay out of pocket if you file a claim. Raising it could lower your monthly premium. Just make sure you can afford that amount if you do get into an accident. And don't forget the little add-ons. Things like rental car coverage or roadside assistance might be nice to have. But if you can live without them, cutting those can help lower your bill. Step number 3, shop for better rates. If you've been with the same insurance company for years and haven't checked prices lately, you're probably overpaying. Rates can vary a lot from one company to another, even for the exact same coverage. That's why you should always shop around. And if you're serious about lowering your monthly premium, head over to Quote.com. Just enter a few quick details into our free comparison tool, and you'll instantly see real-time quotes from top insurance providers, so you can choose the one that fits your needs and your budget. Step number 4, look for discounts. Here's something most drivers forget. There are tons of discounts out there, but most of them aren't automatic. You might qualify for a safe driver discount or a low mileage discount if you don't drive that often. Students can sometimes get discounts for good grades. If you're in the military or a veteran, there are options for you too. And don't forget the bundling deals, like combining auto and home insurance, or even renters. You might even save a few bucks by going paperless or paying your policy in full up front. Finally, step number 5, reduce your mileage. If you're not driving much these days, maybe you work from home or only use your car on weekends, consider switching to usage-based insurance. These are plans that track how much, how far, and how safely you drive. The less you're on the road, or the more cautious you are behind the wheel, the more you save. Programs like Progressive Snapshot, Allstate DriveWise, Metromile, and Nationwide Smart Ride all offer ways to cut your costs based on your actual driving habits. Some people are saving 30 to 50% just by making that switch. Auto insurance might feel like a burden, but going without it can cost you even more in the long run. The key is to take action early, because with the right adjustments, staying covered can still fit your budget. And if you want to make this whole process easy, visit Quote.com. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare quotes from top-rated insurance companies and see which provider offers the best coverage at a price you can actually afford. So let's say the worst happens. You miss a payment, or you stop paying altogether. What's the real impact? It's more serious than just a late fee. Here's what can happen. First, your coverage will be canceled. Most insurance companies offer a short grace period, typically 7 to 30 days. But after that, your policy is terminated. That leaves you legally and financially unprotected behind the wheel. Next, you must expect higher insurance costs. A lapse in coverage is a red flag to insurance providers, even if it's brief. That gap can cause your next policy to cost significantly more, even if you're a safe driver. Then, you will face license cancellation. In many states, driving without insurance is illegal and can trigger automatic suspension of your registration or license. Reinstating them can involve hefty fines and a lot of red tape. Worst of all, you will shoulder accident costs. If you're uninsured and in a crash, you're financially responsible for all damages and injuries. That could mean tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars coming directly out of your pocket. Letting your insurance lapse might seem like a short-term fix, but it can lead to long-term consequences that are far more expensive. Staying covered, no matter your budget, is always the smarter move. And if you're looking for coverage that actually fits your budget, you can find it by visiting quote.com. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare real quotes from top-rated providers and see which one fits your needs, all in one place. It might be tempting to drive uninsured, especially if you don't drive often. But please don't do it. Driving without insurance is illegal in nearly every state, and the consequences can be devastating. If cost is holding you back, there are programs designed to make car insurance more affordable. To start, there is CLCA, or the California Low-Cost Auto Insurance Program. It provides basic liability coverage for as low as $20 a month. This helps low-income drivers with clean records meet California's minimum insurance requirements. In New Jersey, there's the Special Automobile Insurance Policy, or SAIP. It offers emergency medical coverage for $365 per year. Drivers who qualify for Medicaid can use it to cover accident-related emergency care. Another option is pay-per-mile insurance, available in many states. It's ideal for people who rarely drive or work from home. Your premium is based on how much you actually drive, which can lead to significant savings. Additionally, some states like New York, Illinois, and Michigan offer temporary premium relief programs. These programs help drivers who've lost jobs or are facing financial hardship. They may include payment deferrals or protections from cancellation. Finally, there's good driver discounts and requalification programs. If you've had a lapse in coverage, these can help you regain discounts or set up payment plans. Many are available through state DMVs or insurance departments. Even a minor accident can cost more than a full year of coverage, and that's before legal fees or penalties. There are safer legal ways to stay protected, even on a tight budget. If you want to know what affordable options are available to you, visit quote.com. Use our free comparison tool to check insurance rates and find the best coverage for your needs. Quick, easy, and stress-free. Letting your car insurance lapse might seem like a temporary fix, but it often leads to bigger problems. Fines, license suspension, and sky-high future premiums. The good news? There are ways to stay insured on a tight budget. From adjusting your coverage to finding discounts and exploring state programs, you have options. The key is to act early. Don't wait until you've missed a payment. A few smart changes today could save you hundreds tomorrow. If this video helped you find ways to lower your auto insurance costs, click the like button so we know it's useful. Share your experience and tell us in the comments what you did when you couldn't afford auto insurance. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart saving tips, insurance advice, and tools to help you stay covered without overspending. Remember, staying insured doesn't have to break the bank. The right strategy can save you money and keep you protected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.